Were you like this in high school? Hmm. Or were you like this? The jock does make the shot, obviously. The girls come, yay! And he makes it. I mean, this could happen. Nerd runs away. Jock does not make the shot. He gets hit with a ball. And the girls come to him. But as the nerd said, he did not shop at courtside, so this is what happened. Yeah. Well, shop at courtside there. So that can be you.